How to update an XFP fire panel's firmware. To find out what firmware is installed on your XFP, press the menu button, then enter access level 3 and input your code. Select engineer functions and then scroll down to version numbers. Press accept and your current version number will be displayed. To update the firmware on your XFP, first you have to download the latest firmware version to a micro SD card. We recommend you use a high quality 8GB card. Go to CTEK's firmware downloads page at the address shown and download the file you need. Then insert the SD card into an SD card reader and drag the downloaded firmware.bin file onto it. Next, insert the written SD card into the main PCB as shown and then press the yellow hard reset button. Wait for the red light to stop flashing and then start pulsing. And press the hard reset button again. Please note it can take up to a minute to install the firmware, but it will not override any programming data the panel may have. Once updated, the panel will restart and the new firmware revision number will be displayed alongside the older version to confirm the update. For more technical assistance, check out our channel videos or visit ctek.com.